Okay, here we go again. There's Bianca. Hello, Bianca. Hello, Bianca. And there's Jerry. Hi, Jerry. There's Jerry. Bianca. There's Bianca. Hi, Bianca. Just go back. Oh, no. Hi, Jerry. Right on my knee. Okay, come on, girls. There's Jerry again. Bianca, you need to move out. Okay, there's Jerry. 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 Okay. Go, Bianca. No, go do some things so that Christy can see you. Girls. Girls. Girls, Bianca. Bianca. Bianca and Jerry. So Chris, I know Jerry's longer, but for some reason I just really like her structure better, and maybe I'm way off base. You need to tell me. I'm trying to see if... Bianca! Bianca, come here! Oh, they just went flying by me. Missed that opportunity. Bianca, put your head up. Bianca. Jerry's not lead broken yet. Bianca is. Come on. And of course they're at that very gawky 5-month stage. Come on, guys. I'm about done with this. That's the part that's not covered. You can see the moss. There'll be moss treating this spring. Hello, pretty girl. There's that stifle that I was saying maybe.